Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my FabFitFun seasonal box here. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle box. So most of the time you can find a lot of stuff in there for your house or things for fitness, that type of nature. But this month or this quarter, I'm super excited because it's mostly makeup in it this time. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what I got. It is $49.99 every 3 months if you're interested. So this is my box here. Just arrived today. I'm really excited for it. And then it has some paper in here, and I love that they always put in a magazine in here. It has some of the products and the boxes, some of the stuff that was selections in here, and just a fun little magazine for you to have. So that is neat. I did get a couple add-ons this time, so I have 2 extra items in my box. But if you're not annual, you can only choose, I do believe, 1 through 4, and then 5 and 6 is chosen for you. But if you're an annual, you can choose and customize everything in your entire box, which is absolutely amazing. And also you save money in the long run if you do decide to go annual. The first thing I'm pulling out is a Fenty Beauty. It's by Brianna, and it's a Diamond Balm All Over Veil in the shade Royal Icing. Now, I was super excited to get this because I actually have the How Many Carats one, I think is what it's called, and I love the way that it performs, and the packaging is very similar to that. The other one is silver and sparkly, and this one looks like it's gold and sparkly, so I'm happy to add a different one of her highlighters to my collection. And this is what the highlighter looks like here. Let's go ahead and get a swatch this. It does look a little bubbly in the pan. I'm sure it's not old. I just got it, but let me know in the comments down below if you kind of see what I'm talking about in there or not. Maybe I'm crazy. Here is the highlighter. I think it's really pretty. It's just like the other one except for in gold. Very sparkly. There's that one. Next up, and I couldn't believe that I was lucky enough to be able to try this product because Hourglass is actually a really expensive makeup brand, and they had it as a choice for this month. I think this was customization 6, but I got an Hourglass blush and ambient, and I've been told by other people that this is more of a subtle blush, like all natural look. Packaging is super cute, fancy looking, almost like a mirror. Okay, and I could see how it would be looking more natural because it has a lot of swirl in there of almost like a neutral shade. So let's get a swatch that and see if we can even see it. Okay, it's more like a shimmer to me. I don't know if it even shows up on camera, but we'll see right there. I'm excited to try it and see what kind of looks I can make with it. Next up, because it's spring, you know I had to pick an umbrella. This is the umbrella that they had as a choice. I'm not the hugest fan on the print, but I'm always happy to get another umbrella because I only have one right now and it's kind of dingy and banged up. So excited to get another one of those. Then they put in hair care this time, and It's 10 is actually a really good leave-in conditioner brand. I have tried before, but I have not tried the one with keratin in it. So I was interested and intrigued, so I went ahead and chose the one with keratin in it. So we'll have to see how that one works. And then I got from Earth Harbor a Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Anything to do with good skincare, I'm all for it. It's vegan, cruelty free, so that's good to know. Let's see what it actually looks like. Okay, it does look like this. I'm not super thrilled about, and I'm going to be perfectly honest. It does look very liquidy. The consistency is not my fave. Smells really good though. I can't put my finger on what it smells, but it smells like something familiar. And you open it up and it's actually almost like a jelly. So it might not be that bad. It's not like super watery like I thought it was, but I'll definitely have to let everyone know in my reviews. For those of you who don't know, I do reviews on this channel. If you like reviews, makeup, beauty subscriptions, I would go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more easier access to videos like that. And then I was really excited to try this because I don't think I own anything from Pharmacy, but this is Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. So this is actually a pretty decent sized moisturizer, and I feel like it's something that'll last you forever because, oh, it comes with a little spatula. How cute. So it's magnetic and it just sticks right on top, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Let's see the consistency here. I love the packaging. It doesn't have much of a scent to it, but that's okay. It almost looks like a thick cream. Really good for this time of year. Or for my skin in general, because I do have like normal skin, but I have like dry spots here and there, so a good moisturizer is always good for me. I did go ahead and pick up extra this Butter London Teddy Girl palette, and I know sometimes they have this in BoxyCharm, but I have not gotten or been able to try anything from Butter London yet, so I was really interested to see, and I think it was only like $7 for an add-on, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I'm going to have to rip the packaging on this one. I'm just having too much trouble getting it out. I really don't want to break a nail. So, oh, I love how it opens up like a little book. So we have it like this, and then it just opens up like a book, and then we have all the different shades inside. I like how there's different pan sizes in there. This does look like a more neutral palette. Well, let's go ahead and get some swatches of this and see how it performs in the swatch test. This one's called Matilda. It feels wonderful. I was just wondering if it lived up to the name, like Butter London. Are these colors like buttery? I'm so intrigued to find out. Oh, they are pretty. This one's called Penelope. Okay, so there's some really cute shades in here. Definitely more like an everyday look type thing. But I also got this Sorbus organizer, and honestly I was kind of like on the edge about it because to me it looked kind of cheapy, but it was only $7 and I felt like it was worth the risk to get it. It comes in a box like this. It does look on the smaller side. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Honestly, it's something you could probably pick up at Walmart for $5 or something like that, or maybe even $7. But I was told, I'm interested in seeing, I think someone told me there is a carrying bag in here. Don't see it in there, but let's go ahead and open this up and see if I can find what people were talking about, because I'm intrigued. So honestly, this doesn't really fit a lot. It's something small to put some like lippies in. I don't see what they were talking about, honestly. I don't want to break it. So someone told me there was a bag that come with this. If you take it out, it's in the bottom. But I can't get it apart and I really don't want to break it. So I'm gonna look into it farther and see if I can find anything. There is a scratch on mine, which I don't really like because it's brand new, but I mean, it was $7, so there's that. And then they always throw in like coupons and stuff in here. I don't really go through them. Ooh, look, they put some stickers this time. I like, sometimes they put in little free stuff like this. I like to give this kind of things to my daughter. She loves stickers, so does my son. So that's really cute. That's everything I got in my FabFitFun box for the season of spring. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.